Have you ever wondered why the solid ground beneath our feet remains suspended in the void of space? Without ropes to tether it, or pillars to prop it up, why doesn't the Earth fall? Ancient people imagined the Earth was held aloft by giant turtles or mountains. It wasn't until the 17th century that Newton, inspired by a falling apple, uncovered a glimpse of the universe's laws: gravity. The sun's gravitational pull tugs on the Earth, while the Earth's inertia drives it forward in a straight line. The interplay of these forces slings the Earth into a curved orbit around the sun. Much like a spinning hammer throw, picture a stone tied to a rope being swung in circles. Release the rope, and the stone flies off. The sun's gravity is that invisible rope. Yet questions about Newton's theory persisted. In the early 20th century, Einstein introduced a radical idea. Gravity is not a force, but a curvature of spacetime. The sun's mass warps spacetime like a heavy ball pressing into a stretched sheet, creating a dip. The Earth doesn't orbit because it's pulled, but because it glides along the shortest path in this curved spacetime. Its suspension is simply free motion in four-dimensional geometry. Far from random wandering, the Earth orbits the Sun at roughly 30 kilometers per second. Too fast, and it would break free, escaping the solar system. Too slow, and it would spiral into the Sun's fiery embrace. This delicate balance of speed and gravity places Earth in the solar system's Goldilocks zone. Mercury, closer to the Sun, feels a stronger gravitational pull, causing its orbit to wobble as it races along. Neptune, far out at the solar system's edge, experiences weaker gravity and drifts leisurely. Earth, however, sits in a sweet spot where the Sun's gravity is just right, allowing it to glide smoothly, like a surfboard riding a wave's crest. The Sun's gravitational waves are the cosmic swells, and the Earth is the eternal surfer, moving at the perfect speed and trajectory. The deeper truth is that space has no up, down, left, or right. Falling is merely a human misconception. The Earth isn't suspended. It's perpetually falling toward the Sun, but its orbital speed ensures it always misses. This dynamic fall creates the stable orbit we perceive. If the universe is an ocean, planets are ships propelled by the tides of gravity. With starlight as lighthouses guiding their billion-year voyages, we now understand that Earth's suspension is a symphony of gravity and inertia, a dance within the geometry of spacetime.